Thank you for joining us today. My name is Sherry Hyde, and I am the Training and Change Management Specialist here at Emerson. Brian Commerdale is our Customer Solutions Specialist and will be walking us through how to connect Zedi Access to your SignalFire Ranger. A step-by-step guide is available on our e-learning platform. A user account must be created first in the SignalFire Ranger toolkit. You can download this software at signal-fire.com and create an account before starting with Zedi Access. Let's get started.
First steps on beginning the Ranger with analog daughter card. After the card is attached, before anything is powered up, verify that your SIM card is in. Analog switches selected to voltage or milliamps dependent on transmitters. After that is done, go ahead and plug in the battery and tie in your mini USB connector. We'll hit refresh. Select your Ranger. Select open. Get to note that SIM card installed before battery, APN will be auto detected. After you connect, tools, options, and then advanced tab, select show MQTT and spark plug tabs, hit OK. This will only be needed to be done once for your software. It will stay up there every time after. We'll move down to report interval under the main tab. We're changing that from 5 minutes to 15 minutes. That is our default reporting intervals. Hit apply. Modem. Under modem, APN is auto detected. Since we put our SIM card in first before powering it up, it is connected to AT&T and online. MQTT. This is where we're going to come back to and install our custom broker to get it connected to access. Under the IO card, this is your default card on the Ranger. The selector switch that you changed at the beginning is reflected here. If there's a change that needs to be made, power the unit down, correct your selector switch, power it back up. It'll reflect where the switch is selected on. Scale units. All scale units are editable and changes can be made here. Default units of measure will be attached on the PDF. So this unit will be changed to PSI. Scale low. Scale high. Apply. Analog 2. This is going to be your analog daughter card. Verify your mode. Scale units. Low. And high. And this is dependent on your pressure transmitter range. If you do have a pressure transmitter 3, make the changes. Not all Rangers will have that analog 3. We have to update report metrics. Okay, Ranger is set up and ready for commissioning. Next steps. We will jump over to our Zedi Access page. Admin Center. We'll right click. Self-serve commission. Select company. MQTT. Default spark plug B. Commission. Line type, SignalFire Ranger. Country. IMEI, which we found in the Ranger. So under modem, IMEI. And it's the same as node name. Put that IMEI in device name as well. Online, hierarchy. This would be the folder that you want to place the device in. Time zone and contract hour. Locations, add location. Create new. This will be the name of your site. Latin monks. Meter type. It's a descriptor name. Ordering set. If your company has an ordering set for the Ranger, click on it. You can find the Ranger tab there. And at this point, we'll need to click on the MQT broker settings. Save this for later. After it's saved, we'll click finish. At this point, we'll go back to our Ranger. This is where we're going to implement the broker information that we just saved. The custom, type in the AT&T broker address, your port number, and unique username and password. TLS encryption will be disabled, and hit apply. MQTT is connected. Now we will go back to our data access page, continue editing, and your location. And as we go down, anything under name is editable. You can change these names if you would like, or if you would need to. This is going to be our battery for the Ranger. We will apply sensor types. Temperature is your board temperature. And as you scroll down, we're looking for modem or SRP, which is our signal strength. RSRQ, signal quality. We're looking for analog 1. This Ranger will be labeled as inlet and outlet pressure. You can name it to whatever you need to be, and sensor type to match. Analog 2. And analog 3, you could rename if you need to. After naming conventions are completed, back up to the top, hit finish. Back to Zedi Access, refresh page, and site is here. We'll make it over to live data screen. If you have a screen already pre-built, select your screen, move it over, select it again, make it your default, save. And now you have a functional live data screen. All right, after we finish our live data screen, if you would like to see any additional sensors below, click Options, configure location, find the tag you would like to see. On the display tabular, click on it, it'll change from no to yes. Also, while we're here, if this you would like to have as an alarm feature, click on Edit, enable server alarms, save. Refresh. Tabs are popping up. Now that we enabled our server alarms, now we can come and set these up to your liking. Low, high, 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 low, low, and then set your contact, and then hit save.
Thank you for joining us today as Brian walked us through how to commission your device to the Zedi Access platform. Should you have any further questions regarding this process, please reach out to our customer care team at 1-866-732-6967.
Go boldly, Emerson.